If you need to add a list of contacts to SurveyMonkey quickly, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Importing a list is a great way to organize respondents, upload contacts from your computer, and save time when you're building surveys or managing outreach. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where you can access your account settings and contact tools. From the profile menu, click on Contacts. SurveyMonkey will take you to your contact management area, where you can store and upload address lists for future use. This is the section you need if you want to import a CSV file. Now find and click on the .csv option. This tells SurveyMonkey that you want to upload a comma-separated values file, which is the standard format for importing lists from Excel or other spreadsheet tools. If your list is not already saved as a CSV, make sure to export or save it in that format first before continuing. Next, click Choose File. A file picker window will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Select the CSV file that contains the contact list you want to import. Then choose it from your PC and confirm the selection. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. After the file is selected, SurveyMonkey will prepare the upload, review the file details if needed, and then click Add Contacts. This is the final step that imports your list into SurveyMonkey. Once the process is complete, your contacts will be added and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully imported a list to SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when managing large groups of contacts. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.